Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to create a group chat in Microsoft Teams in this tutorial. So let's get started. First, open Microsoft Teams on your computer or mobile device and sign into your account. From the left sidebar, click on the chat icon. At the top of the chat panel, click the new chat button. Now into the field, start typing the names, emails, or contacts you want to add to the group. Once you selected everyone, click the down arrow next to the To field to expand more options. Type it and group name to make it easy to identify your chat later. Now type your first message and hit send. Your group chat is now created and everyone you've added can see and reply instantly. If you want to add more people later, click the Add People icon at the top of the chat window and select the new members. And that's how to create a group chat in Microsoft Teams quickly and easily in 2025.